Let us solve the another MCQ question of matrices chapter. The given question is, if A is equal to alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha and A square is equal to I, then which of the following is true? Then which of the following is true? Which of the following is true if A is skew symmetric matrix? If A is skew symmetric, if A is skew symmetric matrix, given questions options are alpha square plus beta gamma minus 1 equal to 0, alpha square minus beta gamma minus 1 equal to 0. Here alpha square plus beta gamma plus 1 is equal to 0, and here minus alpha square plus beta gamma minus 1 equal to 0. So these are the given options for this question. What they said, they given the A matrix. Three conditions are they given A matrix. The condition is A square is equal to I, and next is what? A is skew symmetric matrix. Let us solve this. So write the given matrix alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. A square is equal to I. A square can be written as A into A. Alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. Alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. Here A is what? It is 2 by 2 matrix. So our identity matrix will be also in 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So equate this 1 0 0 1. Now multiply this alpha into alpha, alpha square plus beta into gamma, beta into gamma, beta gamma, and here gamma into alpha, alpha gamma minus into alpha gamma, and here alpha into beta, alpha beta, plus into minus, minus alpha into beta, alpha beta, and here gamma into beta, gamma beta, plus minus into minus, plus alpha into alpha, alpha square. Okay. Gamma beta. And this is equal to what? 1 0 0 1. Okay now. If you see here, these are opposite symbols now. So alpha square plus beta gamma 0 0, alpha square plus beta gamma, this is equal to 1 0 0 1 matrix. So by this, by the equality of matrices, you can equate corresponding elements. So alpha square plus beta gamma is equal to 1, alpha square plus beta gamma minus 1 equal to 0. So here in this question, here skew matrix, skew symmetric matrix, this is given, but it is not considered in the question. Okay now, then if it transpose is given in the question, then it matters, but here this doesn't matter whether it is which type of matrix. So which option is correct? Alpha square plus beta gamma minus 1. So it is A option is correct. So like this, you can solve this type of MCQ questions.